After this video, you'll learn how to make beautiful, professional, embedded messages on Discord using Discohook. You'll be able to create clean info channels with role mentions, channel links, emojis, banners, and a highly organized layout. Plus, I'll show you how to edit those embeds later using Discohook's backup system. Start by opening up your Discord server. Right-click your server name, go to Server Settings, and then go to Integrations. Click Create Webhook. Give it a name and assign it a channel. The name you give it can be changed later on. The channel you select is where your embed will be sent, so ensure this is correct. You can also give the webhook a profile icon, which can also be changed later on. Click Save Changes and copy the webhook URL. You'll need this in Discohook. Head over to the Discohook website, click Clear All to remove any default content and embeds. You now have two options. If you have no interest in creating a backup of your embed or editing it later, then you can click Add Webhook, paste your webhook URL, and click Add Webhook. If you want to create backups, you must log in with your Discord account. To log into your account, click Login, then log in again, and then authorize the bot. Once you've done this, click Hooray. Now that you're logged in, click Clear All again, and then Clear All again. Click Add Webhook. Select the server in which you created the webhook in earlier, then choose the webhook you created earlier. It should appear on the screen. You can now upload up to 10 images which will be available throughout your embed, like banners, thumbnails. You can come back to this at any point and continue to upload thumbnails and images. In the context box, type a title of your embed using a hashtag to make the text larger. This is of course optional and I'm just showing you to demonstrate in the tutorial. This adds a clean bold header at the top of your embed channel. Then go to your profile to customize the sender name and icon. As you can see, it changes the name of the user that sends the embed. You can also link a custom image URL here. This will change the image of the profile picture in which the embed is sent through. To create the embed itself, click Add Embed, open the drop-down, and go into the body section. Add a title and choose a color from the picker. You can choose any color you wish or put in a custom color in this number section. You can also link the title using the URL field. In the description, write your content. You can use a singular hashtag for large headings, 2 hashtags for medium headings, and 3 hashtags for small headings. This controls the text size inside the embed. To add emojis or mentions, you'll need developer mode enabled in Discord. To do this, go to User Settings, Advanced, and then make sure to enable developer mode. If it's already enabled, leave it on. Now to make your embed unique. To upload custom emojis to your embed, you must first upload them to your server. To do this, go to Server Settings, Emojis, and upload the emoji you want. To get the ID for this custom emoji, type the emoji, add a backslash, send it, and copy the resulting code, like this. Make sure the backslash is behind the emoji. You can now paste this ID into Discohook wherever you like, and the custom emoji will appear. For all the IDs I show you how to get in this tutorial, you must put the backslash before the voice channel, role, at, or etc. So ensure you do this every time I mention a backslash. For normal emojis, you can either use your default Windows emoji picker or go to Discord, type the emoji, add a backslash, don't send it, just copy the ID that it turns into. You can now paste this into Discohook and it will appear as an emoji. For roles, mention a role with an at, add a backslash, send it, and copy the role ID. You can now paste this ID back into Discohook and it will appear as the role you mentioned earlier. For users, do the same process as the roles. Mention it with an at, add a backslash like this, send it, and copy the ID. You can now paste this ID into Discohook and it will show as a clickable at for the user you mentioned earlier. For channels, mention with a hashtag, add a backslash, and copy the ID. You can now of course paste this ID into Discohook and it will appear as it does on Discord. For voice channels, mention it with a hashtag and an exclamation mark, then add a backslash, send it, and copy the ID you get. Like before, paste this ID into Discohook and it will appear as a voice channel. You can style your embed using backticks to highlight commands or code, hyphens, also known as dashes, for bullet points, spaces before a hyphen or a dash for subpoints like this. Use triple backticks in front and behind text for code blocks or section dividers like this. If a role shows up in Discohook as deleted role, don't worry, it will still appear and function correctly once sent in Discord. To customize the author, go to the author section and you can add a name, icon and clickable URL. Fields help break up long content. If you add multiple fields and toggle inline, it will place them side by side. Up to 3 fields can be added side by side before it begins again. This makes your embed compact and easy to read. To customize the footer, you can go to the footer section, upload an image, or add a timestamp like this. You can also upload a thumbnail or large image to appear beside or under your embed. All of these are optional. You don't need a footer, author, or even title if you want a simpler layout. If you add a second embed message by clicking Add and then Add Embed, they may appear stacked with no gap. To add space, you can use a custom transparent emoji that can be uploaded to your Discord server like shown before. You can then get the ID for this custom emoji and paste it into the content box of the new message on Discohook. I'll leave a download link to this transparent emoji to upload to your Discord server if you wish to add a space. This creates a clean visual break between embeds. Before sending, click the Backups tab and name your project. Click Create Backup, then Save. This will let you re-upload and edit your embed anytime. Now that you've created a backup, you can send your embed by clicking the Send button. Double check that the right embed is selected and the right webhook is selected. Then click Send. To confirm it worked, click the info icon in Discohook. It will say successful if it was successful and unsuccessful if it was not. And check on Discord. The message should appear in the channel you set earlier. To edit your embeds later, first go to Profile, then Backups in Discohook. Choose your saved embed and click Edit. Make any changes you wish. Then back in Discord, delete the old message for that webhook, return to Discohook, ensure that webhook is selected, and click Send. This will update your embed cleanly. You can do this for any channel by selecting a different webhook. You now know how to create, format, and edit stunning embed messages in Discord using Discohook. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Discord tutorials and drop a comment if you have any questions.